Lenell Hahn. I'm the Director of Admissions at Southeast Missouri State University. I mean, it has changed everything. So we're able to personalize our communication. We're able to do dynamic emails. We can be more efficient with our work, more effective in how we communicate and engage with students. We have been able to eliminate 5 different technology partner relationships because the Element platform has so much robustness to it to really help us leverage our marketing, admissions, recruitment, enrollment, and just our brand awareness. So it really is used for everything, it feels like. Oh my gosh, you all have really become to feel like family to me. I appreciate just how kind everyone is and knowledgeable and creative. Everyone is so creative. There may be something that wasn't intended to be used a certain way, but we all, put our minds together and we identify what the problem is, and there's always a solution. Truly, I do feel like you all have become family more than anything. So I've never had a partnership with one of our technology partnerships that have felt like this. So you all are outstanding. Clearly, our goal is to increase our net tuition revenue. I hate to say it that way to sound, just so numbers driven, but that is the goal, right? So to be able to have an institution that you can offer to students to actually give them the programs that are going to propel them into the careers of the future, you have to have a viable institution. So you've got to have that structure to where you can have exceptional programs, faculty, facilities, support mechanisms, engagement mechanisms, and you've got to have net tuition revenue for all of that success. So that's huge. Of course, increasing the experience for our prospective families is first and foremost. So we want them to have a good experience when they engage with us. We want them to continue to consider us until they ultimately make that choice to attend SEMO. And then once they're here, we want them to be retained. We want to see them graduate and walk across the stage. And Element kind of gives us that strong foundation as we start that initial engagement with them for them to have a positive reflection on the university.